The United States, Japan, and 10 other countries have finally reached an agreement on a trade deal known as the Trans-Pacific Partnership, or TPP. So what exactly is the TPP? It's a free trade pact that's meant to encourage more business between the 12 countries. Tariffs and import quotas for things like beef, rice, butter, and many other products would be lifted. Why are these countries banding together? The hope is the TPP will lessen some of the power that China, the world's second largest economy, has in the global marketplace. China is not part of the TPP. President Obama has been a champion of the TPP, and he's even had the U.S. Chamber of Commerce backing him. Those two haven't often seen eye to eye on issues about big business. Obama and other proponents have argued that the TPP will be good for American workers. Nike has said it would create 10,000 jobs in the U.S. if Congress passes the deal. But many labor unions worry that the TPP will encourage more U.S. companies to ship jobs overseas. And other critics of the deal aren't happy that most of the negotiations have been done in secret.